Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is part one, or maybe even part two at this point, for my Chevy Silverado series. It is, what is today, like a couple days after Thanksgiving. I showed you guys I worked on the suicide doors, got those fixed. And now today, you guys see it. I got all this maybe you guys won't see it. All this just stuff on the ground. This is from the adhesive, these adhesive panels that stick on the side of the Silverados that look really gross. So I took those off. This morning, gonna take these off. Then I'm gonna drive the G35 out to James's house. He's got a nice foam can and pressure washer set up. So I'm gonna drive out there and get that thing nice and cleaned up, get that up for sale, and then clean this thing up, and then hopefully this weekend, maybe get the window fixed. So the window isn't just toasted, but that's the plan. I've ordered up new headlights. I'll show you guys a picture of those. New headlights. Found out, I think I showed you this in a previous video or this video. This headlight, or this grill mount, is broken. Like, I gotta push it in and then clip it in. I gotta buy clips for this. I have new headlights coming. Might need to buy new blinker lights. Blinker bulbs. Get some blinker fluid. Oh, I'm doing an oil change too. I bought oil for this thing. Did I lock it? I think I did. I got oil in there. I bought some Wix stuff. I think you guys might be able to see the oil on the ground. Either way, it's really scuffed footage this morning. I'm gonna get the heat gun going. I'm gonna start peeling all this stuff off. You guys saw it already. It's just slow and painful, but I just gotta do it. All right, so now we're gonna go around and clean her up. And after, I'll just have to get some simple green, or like get that off the residue. And then I'll have to get some simple green and just clean that up after. But we'll get her nice and shiny as best as we can. Silverado's cleaned up as best as she's gonna get. Looks better. I need to get rid of this paint stuff right there. Yeah, she's clean-ish, whatever. It's black. Black's never gonna be perfect on a vehicle. I need to not worry about it. So now we're cleaning the 450. She's really dirty. Me and the boys went right in a while back, and I just haven't had time to clean her. So today's the day we're gonna get the pressure washer going. So might as well clean this, and then we'll clean the G35. Probably should have the G first and then this stuff last, but here we are. That 450's cleaned up. Tires aren't. Oh, this rim isn't like cleaned up, but everything else looks good. Got the exhaust all cleaned up. Looking good. She's all clean. Yeah, so I guess time to pull up the G35. This is gonna be just tedious. Yeah, it's not gonna be fun, but time to push it back in. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later. I just noticed I forgot to film outro. So G35's all cleaned up. She's up for sale right now. So hopefully this thing will go on to a new owner and just be an absolute beaut for them. So this car I love. I mean, it's a beautiful car. Now I really come to think about it, she's a beaut. The Silverado's over here on the corner, parked it next to the house over here. So, but yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. The subs have been down. That's my bad. Gotta get back on the Facebook videos. If anyone has some cool Facebook stuff they're selling in the Phoenix area, please let me know. I'd love to come film it. Or if anyone lives in the Phoenix area and wants to ride, let me know. Me, James, Colin, I'd love to ride. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.